Hi, today we're going to plant arugula, otherwise known as rocket or sylvetta. This is the cultivated arugula that you'd buy in the grocery store, and we've bought packs of the sprouted seed from the store. Again, I like to put my tag backwards against the bed so I know what I've planted for later. Squeeze the bottom of the pot, remove your arugula. If you can, try and gently tease the pack into two sections. If it comes apart into more, that's just fine. As you tease apart the arugula, take your half pack, dig a hole, place the plant at soil level in your new bed with the soil level in the pot, and fold the soil back over the start. It's okay if they flop over a little bit. They will right themselves as they grow and strengthen in the soil. It's okay if you're breaking apart your pack and they don't break apart evenly. Do your best. If the roots come apart, it's okay. Do your best. Place your plant in the soil, fold them over. And if in fact you do lose some of the roots still intact to the seed and the sprout will do their best to re-establish. So go ahead and plant them anyway. Fold over the soil, and they will right themselves with the sun.